Hello to everyone out there. Happy weekend. Once again, this is your friend, brother, and humble servant Roosevelt coming back to you with another episode of Roosevelt Sounds Off and Roosevelt Speaks TV. Thank everybody for tuning into my channel on today. And please hit that, subscribe button along with that bell icon. That way you will be notified anytime I drop a brand new video right here on YouTube. Getting into what I want to talk about today, this is a fun video, one of my first fun videos for the year 2021, where I am actually talking about a brand new tablet that I bought from Walmart today. Now this is my old tablet. It's a what they call Aspen 10-inch tablet, but this is almost 10 years old, and right now something it doesn't work anymore, so it's about to go to tablet heaven, pretty much, with that tablet. But I ended up getting an ON tablet. Let me show you the box real fast. I gotta reach around here, find the box because I didn't have it, I guess, in the camera or something with me. Where is the box? Oh, I gotta find the box. The box is all the way down here on the floor. But I got it. Because this is going to be an unboxing video for this particular tablet. Pretty nice beefy box. This is the ON Surf Gen 2 10.1 inch tablet. Now, on this tablet, because you have the specifications and everything here, on this tablet you're getting 32 gigs of internal storage, which is expandable through a micro SD card. I think the most you could probably put in here is a 64 to 128, because I think I'm planning on buying a 128 gigabyte card for it. You get 2 gigs of RAM. You got a quad-core 2.0 processor in here. And you have a rear-facing camera and a front-facing camera. Both of these are 2 megapixels. But pretty much, the cameras on these tablets are pretty much kind of like crap or whatever. So, probably won't be taking too many pictures with that. And they said that it boasts like a 9-hour battery life. Only thing, I guess you gotta test it out to see if it can go 9 hours. And it comes with, many, different things that you will see in the box. It even comes with a headphone jack. And, I think it's a nice box and everything right here that you're getting. So, right now, this video is going to be done in 2 parts. Today is going to be the unboxing. So, in a second, I'm going to cut to what is in the box and what it is that you're actually getting. And the second part will be my final impressions of this tablet. Like how did it hold up for videos, or how did it hold up for audio, that kind of stuff. Give you my final impressions and everything of it. So right now, please stay tuned for this unboxing to see what is in the box of this ON Walmart 10.1 inch tablet. Okay, here it is in all of its glory. This is the ON Surf Tablet 10.1. So right now, I'm about to open this box up and just to see what we have. Okay. So, right here, we open this part up. It looks like we have an instruction book. Well, a couple of instruction books, I think in 2 different languages. English and Spanish, or something like that, I believe. This is the beautiful tablet itself. It's all wrapped up though. So put this aside for the moment. And let's see what else is in the box. Okay. Right here we have a couple of brochures in coupons from Walmart itself for, you know, the Walmart delivery service, as well as some other kind of coupon in here. I think this is for Vudu, like, you know, which is the Walmart streaming service and stuff in here. So yeah, this does come with some deals, which of course is always good. So we'll put that aside. And we have a charging cord. And we also have our charging brick. I think this is a 15 volt brick right there, you know, to plug into the wall. Okay, so that is what's in the box. So I'm going to put this stuff aside, and we are going to take a look at the tablet itself. You know, this is what this video is all about. This is it right here. It's like the cover and everything on it. So we're gonna peel this off, and this way we get a chance to kind of see it in all of its glory. 10.1 inches of beautifulness. So that is what is in the box. So what I'm gonna do is take a day or two with the tablet just to see how it is and how it can perform, and then I'm going to do another video and review and final review on this particular tablet. So I think at this point that concludes this unboxing. If anybody liked this video, please do me a favor, give me a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And please tune in next time for another episode of Roosevelt Sounds Off and Roosevelt Speaks TV. And until the next video, this has been your friend, brother, and humble servant, Roosevelt, saying peace and blessings to all of you and your families.